Hello, today's video is going to be all about self-watering containers. I'm teaming up with Plow and Hearth and I want to show you guys two different containers. One is going to be a Cape Cod square planter and the other one is going to be a window box. Now years ago my husband built me window boxes on the front of our house. They were beautiful. The only problem was that during the summer months when it was really hot, I had to water the window boxes every single day. And if I missed a day, my flowers suffered and they looked terrible. But I've got a solution for that. So let me show you the first planter. So how does a self-watering container work? Well, these planters are made, they have a double wall system, and that's what creates a reservoir of water to go into the bottom of the planter and creates a trough system. Another fabulous thing that they've created is you're never going to have oversaturation of water in your planter because they've drilled a hole at the bottom. So if there's too much water from rain or overwatering, it'll come out that hole. So I'm going to add some small pebbles into the bottom of my planter before I add my potting soil. Okay. And I love to use Miracle-Gro potting soil that already has the nutrients in it. One less thing I have to do. Now I'm ready to add my flowers. What makes a beautiful container is choosing the right flowers. You want to have what's called thrillers, spillers, and fillers. So my thriller is going to be this spiked Dracaena. Then I'm going to add these double impatiens, some Dusty Miller, a little bit of asparagus fern, and then for my spiller I'm going to do alyssum, which smells beautiful. So this is the self-watering window box. It's actually at Alice's house. They have hung it on the back of their deck. She's already got it planted with white and red begonias and a little alyssum in between. Let me show you something really neat. So Plow and Hearth will provide you with this little rubber stopper. So what you can do is if you drill a hole 3/4 inches, that way you can water straight down into the reservoir rather than watering straight on top of your plants. These are going to keep her plants looking gorgeous all summer long. If you'd like to purchase these items, I've got a link below. I appreciate you for watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel because we're going to have a new video out next week.